Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. Really appreciate it. So yes, you all have to do your own research before doing anything, and not financial advice. So yeah, let's go over today what ended up happening. Obviously, the Q's beautiful trade this morning, right? I am watching Tesla though. I do want to see if we can get this. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to pull up the other chat here. Yeah, this looks really good. We got to break under this level here. Let's see. Let's break this down. All right, so it looks like we do got to get under this 437 level for this continuation. That's what I'm seeing there. We shall see. We shall see. All right, hold on. I got to pull up this other chat really quickly, and then pretty much going to get started. So yeah, Tesla looks like it's my next thing that I'll be looking at here. 1 second. Pulling all everything here. Let's see. All right, so yeah, Tesla would have to break under that 437.10 for that continuation. All right, pulling up this chat here. 1 second. See if it'll load. That'd be great. All right, so I'm gonna tell the team we're on TikTok live now. One second. Oh shoot, I gotta charge this. Hold on, give me 1 second here, guys. So yeah, my bad. Getting pretty much just getting started here. So haven't even told the members we're live yet, so give me 1 second. I gotta charge this before it turns off. All right. $437. All right, so Tesla put up the chat there. We're good. And then we're going to tell the team we're on live. So TikTok live now at everyone. All right, cool. So yeah, I'm looking for these Teslas right now. So yeah, we just told the team we're on live now. They should be tuning in pretty soon. I'm not in yet, but I'll enter soon if we can get that little continuation. So there's another little area of consolidation that needs to be broken here. Yo, Gonzo, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. So yeah, basically what the full story about this one is, yeah, we got this clear gap up, no consolidation. This is what I would want to this downside here. We got a nice little POTTERBOX. We need to break under this wall, and no, I haven't entered yet. I'm still going to wait on this. Yo, Peyton, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. I just don't like the movement quite yet, so not into this one just yet. Maybe I might wait for this 16-minute candle to close. We'll have to see, but I think if we can flush under this. Hold on, let's see. 437.07 looks really good. Yes, sir. Good to see you, man. Tesla 600 end of year. Honestly, it really just depends. We shall see. I took more NVIDIA calls after I closed one of my calls. Did it work out for you? Hopefully it worked out. All right, so I'll keep a little alert there. See if we can get past that level here. All right, so yeah, we'll go over what we did today. Obviously, I didn't get to post it today, but yes, you can see we ended up having this nice QQ downside. Told the team watch for these puts. We got in that first and that final target did end up hitting. So that was a little beautiful trade there. Got that nice little gap. Trimmed that bottom perfectly. You can see. Shout out to another member. what he did on that little trade with us. Now, I do want to see if I can catch some Tesla. Right now, I understand we ended up getting this break, but I just don't like the price action right now, so I'm just going to wait on this one. I'm glad I waited. But yeah, still same thing, clear gap up, no consolidation. We get a nice break below. I'm looking for probably another candle close on this one, just so we can get that downside there. So that's what I'm seeing on Tesla. Let's keep on going though. I have my alerts pretty much set on this. See if we can get back down there. All right, so SPY. This is something I'll also be waiting for. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's the whole thing. So that's why I'm taking my time right now. So PayPal, okay, cool. Can you look at it? Okay, got you. SPY, okay, I like that upside there. Tesla, I'm not in yet. I'm gonna just put this over there. PYPL, let's see if we're ready yet. If it'll load, that'd be good. Okay, I'm leaving SPY up. I don't really care about the Qs as of this second. IWM, okay. BDA, okay. And then let's take a look. Let's see here, let's see. Alright, so. Okay, so yeah, we'll start. Let's go ahead and start on this. My bad, just looking at all these other charts you've requested. So yeah. Where am I from, bro? So I'm originally from NC. But yeah, I moved across country. So yeah, pretty much back and forth. But yeah, anyways, clear gap up. Not in yet. Do want to see if we can get a little bit more movement. I definitely will take it though. All right, so PayPal. I've been waiting on this one for a while. Yo, user thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Honestly, I thought we were going to get it yesterday. I thought we were going to get it today as well. But I mean, we may if we get a nice little push up. But all that I can see is, yeah, got this clear gap down, no consolidation. So clear this day. All that I'm waiting for is a nice break outside of this, what, 70.67. And you can easily see sellers have control here. They've had control. They kept price pushing down. So I'm looking for buyers to step in above that 70.67 level. And I would love to take that to the upside here. So that's a little $8 moves. Doesn't look like they're ready quite yet, though. All right, so Tesla, nothing that I like there yet. Yo, 16, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Yo, thanks for sharing the live stream, too. All right, so SPY. We got so we did this as well. I don't think anyone requested this. Can I do in a video? Yep, got you. No worries. All right, so. Okay, yeah, we'll go over that right after IWM. So IWM, actually, I did want this, and still looks pretty good to me. I get it, sellers ended up taking this control. We ended up dropping below, which is something I don't care about. What I do care about is potentially, hopefully, at some time we could get this 241 break, and would love to see that upside. So that 242 and then that 242.80, that would be that final target. If we can't get that break, obviously downside, maybe there's something, but well, there isn't anything until under this 237. That's what I'm seeing, or this little gap here. But yeah, I do like that upside though a little bit better. So that's just what I'm seeing, and yeah, each trade is going to be the same. Obviously, still waiting on Tesla, still waiting on a couple other trades. So just like how we ended up catching these QQ puts, QQ downside, and I posted a few today, but told the team, watch for these QQ puts. We end up hitting that first and that final TP. So this was literally just this morning. You see, trim that bottom perfectly. See what one of the members ended up doing there. And yeah, very beautiful trade. So I'm looking for, or waiting for, a couple other ones, I will say. So yeah, we shall see. All right, so anyways, for this, all right, so we hit that final TP. So this was the one from yesterday. So hold on. You can see before, the after, we went right past it, right? So this was a play that we ended up getting into yesterday. Obviously I didn't hold it, so we pretty much got out, but yeah. See, thanks Lee, another home run. So that was yesterday as well. Boom, NVIDIA. I will be honest. So we went right past my final TP. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Let's see on a 24-hour. Yeah, it looks like this is one of those ones, right? Nothing really stopping us to that upside. So let's look here. We shall see. Let's see. So yeah, I mean, I will be honest. From, you know, my eyes, from what I'm seeing here, nothing to stop us to the upside. Obviously not telling anyone to get into any of these trades, so please do your own research. What I would do is, for me at least, I get it, we could end up continuing, but maybe I would let it build some structure and then wouldn't mind taking this to the downside. So on the bright side, we are creating a little bit of empty space that I wouldn't mind taking back down. So, but as of right now, yeah, it doesn't look like there's nothing to stop us there. Alright, so we did IWM, waiting on that. SPY, Tesla, still waiting on this as well. Got my alerts pretty much set if we can get it. Yo, Cajun, thanks for the follow, bro. Really appreciate it. Alright, so MU, okay, got you, no worries. Let's see. SMCI looking good. Never mind. Actually, we'll pull it up anyways. So SMCI, MU. So actually, I'll leave up a little alert here on SPY. We'll see how that plays out. So IWM, we did that. Want to pull up AMZ and see where we are. Leaving up Tesla though as well. All right. So SMCI actually. Yeah, it actually doesn't look bad. Hold on, give me a second here. Let's take a look. Yeah, I mean, it actually doesn't look terrible. Maybe I should go ahead and write this down. I already had it written down, but I didn't think we were ready on this one. Some CI. Macy's ready to go. Crazy Cat Lady, what's up? And Neo, yeah, we'll take a look at those as well. So, at least on this, I would love for it to clear all this consolidation. But yeah, we got this clear gap down, no consolidation there. Got a nice top bottom wall. Looks like if we do end up getting it, yeah, we'll see how the end of day brings. I probably won't enter into anything else until end of day or until one of these other trades, you know, want to look right. So that's what I'm looking at. All right. So MU, we'll take a look here. CHTR, okay. So yeah, you can see what we did today. Obviously, only one trade got stopped out on. But you can see what we did on that Q's play. And it was a beautiful entry, beautiful trade. Timed that bottom perfectly. QQ at final target could bounce here. We ended up touching that final TP. We bounced perfectly. I didn't get into the calls, but got to those nice little puts there. All right, so one second here. All right, so our MU. Let's take a look here. Yo, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. So yeah, literally all of our plays inside of our Discord, exactly the same. We don't change anything at all. And yeah, if one play doesn't work, we find the next play. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so as of right now, this it's another one of these ones where it's like nothing really stopping us to the upside, right? Obviously, it looks like we're in a little bit of consolidation. But what I can see, let's see here. Actually, all right, okay, so this is going to be my top wall. Bottom wall is going to be this. So the bottom wall is going to be actually wicks. So this time, yeah, it actually doesn't look terrible here. So wick, another wick. So basically 4 wicks there. We can get a nice little break under. We've got empty space that is to this downside. You can see a clear gap up. No consolidation. We get a nice break. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So actually, yeah, it doesn't look too bad from what I can see there. Right now, we're still inside this box, so I'm not going to touch anything. I'm just going to wait. So just like all the other trades, and yeah. So this QQ puts trade that I called out this morning, right at market open. I told the team members what happened. We end up getting in, obviously. So this wasn't the only one that I was waiting for. I was waiting for a couple other ones as well. So obviously, still waiting on those Tesla puts. And I did want those QQQ calls. So you can also see that we had this clear gap down. Wanted a nice break above this top wall into this empty space. But I did end up seeing that, yeah, we had a nice put opportunity. We had this clear gap. We created another bottom wall there. We ended up smacking both of those targets there. So yeah, if I'm waiting on one, it's fine. Obviously, I'm still waiting on Tesla. I have not entered on this one. I think, oh, we went back into the box too. So yeah, no entry on that. Just gonna wait. Do want to see if we can get some sort of nice break. So yeah, each trade is exactly the same. Doesn't matter if I win or lose a trade. I'm looking for that bigger entry. Obviously, this morning treated us very well. So timed that bottom perfectly. Shout out Robin. You see what we did yesterday, the day before, which was Sunday. So we didn't do anything Sunday. All right. So anyways, we'll keep going though. All right. So let's take a look. Yo, Kent, what's up? Yeah, it's been a great day so far. So after the Qs, I was like, I wanted Tesla, but I waited for that candle close. So glad that we waited for that entry, or I would have got stopped. Love your, yo, thanks so much. Can't really appreciate it, bro. All right, so AMZN, I think a couple people wanted me to go over this too as well. So yeah, I still like this a lot. This still looks good to me. Looks like buyers end up taking control there. What I can see is, yeah, we still have this empty space, this clear gap down. If we end up getting this nice 223 break, I do want to see the upside, and you know, looks really good, looks really decent. As of right now, yeah, just gonna have to wait on this. Looks really good. So just like these other trades, so I also wanted what? QQ calls. Obviously, we were just in the box. We had the downside entry, and that was it. So yeah, there's a lot of trades that if we're in the box, but they look good. Like this looks amazing to me, I will say. But it's gonna have to wait on that. You look good. Okay, cool. Let's take a look there. Let's see here. So we got to go over CHTR as well. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna pull that up as well. Let's see. Let's see. Yo, is it possible for Tesla to reject 440.50 and then dump? We'll go back over. So 440. Personally, it looks like it's creating a new box. So we'll see how these candles end up closing. Looks like we got a new bottom wall that we have to break under. But under this 10-minute, this is, I can see why we ended up rejecting there. So we had a rejection under this 437. So this is why we ended up creating that box there. But yeah, if we can clear it, yeah, we got the empty space under us, and I'll definitely participate in it. But as of right now, I'm not touching that. Maybe I'll touch SPY though. We'll see. All right, CHTR. Let's take a look here. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. Free chat, VIP chat. Honestly, join the free chat. See how you like it. But yeah, everyone there is pretty cool. All right, so let's take a look here. Hold on, I'm reading the chats really quickly. NVO. Okay. All right, so CHTR. Actually, yeah, this actually doesn't look too bad. CHTR. I don't know what these cons look like, but possibly end of day. We'll see how this plays out. So what I can see here is this. Yeah, doesn't look terrible. 24-hour chart. Go down to a little lower time frame. Especially so 4 hour above that 283.57. It actually doesn't look bad. So yeah, if we can get this nice, I want a nice strong, you know, candle closure outside this ball here. Do want to see if we can get that nice empty space push above. So yeah, that actually looks pretty good. So yeah, we shall see. So that is on CHTR. I'll keep an eye out on that one. Hoping Tesla would dump, just sold some. I made a nice profit. Yo, fire, yeah, that's, keep up the great work. Let's see, 24 hour. Hold on. This would load, that'd be great. Hold on, let's see. All right, I think I do remember this, but this was on a, so this is on a 1 month chart. So this would definitely be more of a long shot for sure, because we would need to break above that 2049. We got that empty space up above there. If we can get that, you know, it looks good, looks decent. But yeah, we just have to see how, you know, things would want to play out. So for me, I wouldn't want to enter in until we get that break. So just like the QQ play that we ended up having, we dropped pretty nicely. We ended up holding underneath our bottom wall, which ended up trying that. We ended up touching that first and that final. So yeah, it was a beautiful move. Shout out to Mo Money Jew. And yeah, that was it. So same thing for these U's here. Doesn't look too bad. All right, hold on. Let's see. Hold on. Give me a second. Spy crossing. Okay. Oh, that spy looks good. Maybe I have to take that. We'll see. All right, yeah. So sellers took control there. We'll see. All right. Hold on. Give me a second here. That actually doesn't look too bad. So 663.62. All right. We'll see. So yeah, that looks really good. Right now we're still inside that box, but yeah, we touched that top wall perfectly. So you can see how perfectly we touched that top wall. This is where sellers have control, so they ended up pressing that price down, not wanting us to get that empty space move. But I don't give a crap. If we can get a nice break above, I may end up taking it. I might do it, just because. We'll see. I'm not gonna rush into anything though. So yeah, right now we're still inside of that little box here. I think the move could end up happening, but I'm not entering right now. Just gonna wait. I shall wait. All right, so that is on SPY on that 1 hour. Keep an alert back there. Let's see. So this would be acceptable there. All right, so yeah, right now it looks like we're just ranging here. Same thing with Tesla, still ranging, so just gonna wait on that. Amazon, nothing there. So what do I do in times like this? Obviously, we hit a very beautiful trade this morning, but we just chill, we relax. I don't care about rushing to any entry, but I mean, if we can, it doesn't seem like a bad little play. So yeah, we'll see. I already got everything pulled up if it wants to do it. But yeah, just like all our plays, and not just Today you can see what happened yesterday in the video. Boom. See what happened. TTD. That target ended up hitting. So yeah, we're looking for those higher time frame plays. You can see how we call plays here. Boom. Thanks, Lee. Another home run. Wishing you all a blessed day. I will stay tuned for another opportunity. And yeah, you can see what we end up doing here. So not just yesterday, you can see what we did last week, the week before that. See what we did on that little spy play. So yeah, we're looking for that higher time frame. Puts on spy. I'm out. Have a blessed day, everyone. Yeah, you can see how that spy play puts. Boom. It doesn't really matter. We just gotta wait until we break outside those walls, unless I take those early entries, of course. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see also the other members catching those plays. So yeah, we're focusing on that higher time frame move as well. All right, so we shall see. We shall see. QQ coming to the upside target. Oh, okay, cool. 1 second here. Where can I see the signals in the Discord? So all my plays will be obviously in the Discord, but yes, I will post them in either the potential setups or the live chart finds, and then I'll alert them inside of the day trading alerts there. Or if it's a swing, then it'll be in the swing trading alerts, and you can get a pretty clear picture of what we're looking at. So yeah, everything will be inside of the Discord. And yes, if you ever have any questions, so if you are inside the Discord and have any questions, make sure to ask. If you have any trouble with contracts, anything like that, just make sure to comment down below or inside the group for sure. So MP, no worries. Got you. All right, so I don't think Spy is going to do that as of right now, so it's going to wait there. QQQ. Hold on, give me a second here. Give me a second. Oh, wow. Yeah, the Qs look really good. Honestly, it's crazy because it doesn't look bad at all. I mean, yeah, it really doesn't look bad. Yeah, Q's is literally right there as well. And honestly, I was watching for the Spy one. I don't think we'll get it though. Well, at least at this second, I don't think we will. We will need some sort of strong close in order for us to go into this upside here. So yeah, I mean, it looks good. It really does. QQQ. Let's see. I mean, it looks good. It really does. I mean, I wouldn't mind catching it the opposite way. So we ended up already catching it to the downside. You can see QQQ. Yeah, so we ended up tapping that downside pretty much perfectly. Both of those targets ended up hitting right. But I will say, yeah, we got that empty space above us. So if we end up tapping both in one day, I wouldn't be mad at all. Honestly, I should have got some calls at this 596 break. All right, so QQQ. I just don't like the movement as of right now. So if I do end up trying it, it'll be definitely lighter for sure. So would you consider that as like a retest? For what? For this upside? Obviously, it looks like we did end up punching back here. But for me, I'm just gonna wait on it. Just because of, you know, this movement isn't the best. Obviously, I wanted Tesla too, but didn't end up getting into that yet, and I'm glad I didn't, or I would have had to get stopped out, which would have been fine. But it's just about mainly knowing when and when not to get in. Yo, Jay, what's up? Good to see you. All right. I'm gonna pull up 1 second here. So QQQ. Doesn't look too bad. So how are you? So yeah, we mainly do options here. So sometimes we'll get a little bit equity of whatever, but mainly options. So all of our plays, how we end up posting this QQ downside. Watch for these QQ puts. We end up tapping strictly to the downside. Boom. These are option plays. And yeah, personally, for me at least, I mean, I love those 0 DTEs. They're great, but getting a lot of time or some time is also great for me. I'm not gonna say the movement has anything to do with it, but if I do see, yeah, if we are chopping or ranging, then I'll definitely put that into consideration for sure. So like, just like for the Qs, if I would have gotten in, I would have been stopped out on this. I just didn't like the movement. I think what Trump's talking to as well. So that's why I told the team, just relax. We'll get those entries. Obviously, this morning we had some great movement. We had a great little position. We ended up getting in. It just all really just depends. Yeah, so yeah, so right now it's just time for me to just relax and just chill out until I get something confirmed for sure. So in other words, I definitely won't be trying any starters. I do want to see some sort of candle close. I don't care if it's on a lower time frame. I want to see some sort of candle close as of right now. All right, so MP. So it doesn't look like we'll get that as of this second. So yeah, right now I'm not really in a rush. Obviously, ended up doing really green on that play we had this morning, but so I'm not really trying to rush right now. We'll get these trades regardless. QQQ. $15 minutes for that 599.49 area. So it's flirting, but we'll see. Oh, my guy Galactus in them lottos. Alright, so it's just not something that I would want to risk anything crazy on so I get some movement. He said, wonder where you got the idea. Alright, so MP, let's take a look here. How we looking on SPY? Alright, so after MP, we'll look at it. So Q is still waiting there, still waiting. All right, so MP, I think, yeah, we had my bad, I'm looking at all the chats here inside the Discord. You don't use any indicators and stuff? Yo, what's up, AJ? So actually, no, I don't. All that you see is these boxes and these horizontal lines, and that's it. That's all that I use. So yeah, we got a nice box here, and these blue lines. That's pretty much it. That's all that I use. So I still like it. It looks good. Personally, yeah, I would wait for the upside. If we can get that nice 70-47 break, looks really good. So you would wait for 15-minute close over the top on Qs. I definitely could. I do like that lower time frame. So yeah, I would want a 1 hour close. A 1 hour close would be nice for me. But yeah, I can go to a lower time frame, see if there's anything stopping me. Obviously there is a bit, and could end up trying to take that as well. So That's what I'm saying. I could even go down to a 5-minute if I wanted to. But yeah, as you can see, this is why I don't want to get in. This is why I didn't get in yet. And obviously, Glock got into some lottos for the downside. But anyways, yeah, just gonna wait. Looks like Tesla's right at that wall too as well. And to answer your question, do I use any indicators? No, just these boxes. I know it sounds crazy, but you can see what we did yesterday. Box, empty space, we get the nice break above. You can see TTD. Just this POTTERBOX, get this nice break above. Looking for that empty space to be filled. See what a few of the members did on TTD. You can see what a few members did on that NVIDIA trade. See, boom, that was just yesterday. Thank you, Lee, another home run. Wishing you all a blessed day. This is what we did today on the Qs. I didn't get a chance to post the charts, but timed that bottom perfectly. Boom. So I get it. I know it sounds crazy. I know it doesn't seem like much, but that's literally all that I use. So you can see clear gap up, no consolidation. Got a nice little rectangle box, whatever you want to call it, refer to it as, whatever makes you sleep better at night. Looking for a nice break, cost basis, or once we break outside of consolidation. You can see that puts on SPY. Boom. So it's not just today, yesterday. We could scroll through and just look at all the other trades. And yeah, I'll be honest. There'll be trades I have to get stopped out on. That's perfectly fine and perfectly normal. You can see Apple, doesn't matter. For the after, see how we call out those plays, those setups. See what type of entries we try to get. Apple, boom, Apple. So yes, I want percentages like this. I don't care about 5-10% trades. I'm looking for some quality setups. All right, so yeah, QQ. This is why I wanted to wait. So, not really in a rush. So yeah, sellers took control there. Looks like they're definitely going to take that control for sure. Obviously the upside looks good, but yeah, if we're in the box, if we don't have something solid, don't have something that makes sense, then no time for me to get in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I even told the team that too as well. All right, so 1 second here, guys. I'm going to get me some more water. I'll be right back. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to join the Discord, we have the free chat, the VIP chat. Links in the bio. If you don't want to join, you don't have to. So yeah, just give me 1 second and we'll go over a lot of other setups. If you have any other requests, now's the time to drop them down. So when I'm back, we can see as well. All right, so yeah, give me 1 second and just make sure to do your own research if you do plan on joining or if you don't join. All right, yeah, I'll be right back, guys and gals. Yo, guys, I'm back. All right, so let's get to it. Let's see. Yo, Shady, what's up? SNN, what do you think of what happened to the stock when they do earnings tomorrow? Actually, we can take a look at it. Yeah, no worries. Looks like the key said not right now. Oh, Tesla looks like we might get that dump. Oh, that doesn't look too bad either. Tesla puts. All right, so hold on, we'll take a look. Looks like those spies might hit too as well if we get this continuation. All right, hold on, give me a second. Hold on, I'm reading all the chats here. So yeah, it looks like we're trying to dump the market here. We'll see. We'll see if we get it done. I'm not taking the Qs again though. Already smacked those today, or we did. So next thing that I do like is this Tesla. So yeah, right. It's looked like it. You know, it doesn't want to make a decision. We were going up, we're going down. Obviously, I do like these Teslas if we can get this continuation and a nice little solid break. So SNN. And then SPY. Yo, Kendra, what's up? Good to see you. Alright, so actually we do have SPY. But I think we're gonna dump just a bit and then chop around. We'll see though. I need something that's gonna convince me to get in. But if not, then yes, I will wait for my end of day swings. So yeah, we shall see. Either way, it's gonna work out. So I'm not really too worried. All right, so SPY. I like SPY. Looks like, you know, we're still inside of another box here, another area of consolidation. Clear gap up, no consolidation. Top wall, bottom wall. We get this nice 661 break under. We do have empty space that is under us, which honestly looks good. He said, I got scared of the Tesla short. So, I mean, for me, it's no reason to, you know, be scared of a trade. It's just more of a reason knowing when and when not to get into an entry. That's just, you know, my standpoint with it. I mean, I'll never be scared to enter a position. All I have to do is just stop out. But I do like to have entries that I know, not gonna say I know it's gonna hit, but for the most part, if the action looks good, the price action, we got a nice clear entry, that's when I will take it for sure. But we shall see about this one. But I will take it shortly if we can get a nice little play. Same thing as SPY. So SPY, we got that clear gap up here, no consolidation. We got a nice little POTTERBOX break under the 661. Looks really good. On that 437.06, doesn't look too bad. It's just not doing too much right now. We shall see though. So right now I'm not really in a rush to get into anything since we're on pretty green. They gotta show me though. DraftKings got smoked. Might play for a rebound. Okay, cool. We'll take a look there as well. All right, I have my alerts pretty much set on that. If it does want to go, then I'll try it, but we'll see. All right, so SNN. Let's take a look here. Yeah, literally all our plays are going to be exactly the same. We don't change anything at all. All right, so yeah, we're just playing around there. Okay, I will say, for SNN, I'm going to be completely honest. I like this clear gap down. So I like the empty space. We just don't have any structure. So I would wait for a little bit of structure to the upside. downside. So basically, in other words, a nice box, nice top wall, bottom wall. So maybe in the next couple of days we build some structure, or maybe in the next week. And if we can do that, yeah, I'll definitely see about this. So I can see once we do build the box, our final will be that 38-30. So we shall see how that plays out. All right, Tesla looks like we're trying to dump there. Spy looks pretty good. We would just have to get on that 661. But no, I'm not in Tesla yet. So I need probably another candle close or something nice. And then yeah, I'll see. Yo, Kenny, what's up? Good to see you, bro. Yeah, I got you with RGTI. No worries. 1 second here. 1 second. All right. It does look good though. We shall see. Just me, yo, is that you? Yo, what's up? What's up? It's been a very long time. Good to see you. OG, what's up? Good to see you as well. Thanks for all tuning back in. Really appreciate it. All right, so Tesla, it does look really good. It's just, we're just shopping, so I haven't entered yet. So I do want to see if we can get outside of it, do something. But if not, yeah, I'm just gonna wait, see if we can get a nice little play there. Wow, Glock had a crazy entry. Oh, Spy's looking really good though. So yeah, there are a couple plays that does look really good. Oh, Tesla. Okay, okay. Spy coming close too as well. Actually, doesn't look too bad. We'll see, we'll see. I'm not in quite yet though. I know this is going to be more of a chase, so it'll be definitely lighter for me. It's just, I just don't like the action as of right this second. I need to see something. 437.07. Alright, so a couple minutes for that. Spy looking pretty good too as well. I definitely would end up trying that too if we can get it. Alright, so it looks like Tesla may end up chopping right here again. So there's another box here. So this is another reason, or the main reason. There's another box here that we got to get under. Now, Spy is a very clean move. Hold on. All right. So Tesla bouncing off of that buyer's control there, off that other box. Spy looks really good. So no, I'm not in Tesla. So yes, make sure everyone do your own research, not financial advice. So, I'm looking for it. We do need to break under that 437. We still haven't done that. So I'm not convinced yet, and that's okay. Obviously, it can happen, but I just need to be a little more convinced before I enter in. Spy though, if we get that, I'll definitely take that little entry. So yeah, basically Tesla, we do have this gap here. We created this on this 1 hour clear, move up, no consolidation. We have a box overlapping another box. So I'm waiting for a nice little break under this bottom level. So it looks like we may just chop as of this second. So if we do, I'm just gonna wait for the end of day for the swings, but we shall see. Explain Spy to you? Okay, cool. Yeah, no worries. So for Spy, this is don't worry about these candles here. Just worry about what I circled. There's a clear gap up of no consolidation. This is what I would like to the downside. We ended up creating a nice Potter box, top wall, bottom wall. 4 points of contact here, right? All that I'm looking for is a break and close under this bottom wall in order for us to target to the downside. So if we can get under that 661 area, so this is where price is having a hard time breaking under, I would love to try this to the downside, targeting all the way down to where I see resistance. So yeah, nothing on Tesla. So same thing how we caught this play here. So QQQ downside, right? We had a Potter box that needed to be broken. Obviously, as you can see, we end up getting a nice break under our wall, targeting to this gap here, which led us to, hold on, that's not today, to be able to do this. So I'm looking for the same exact thing, but as of right now, just gonna wait. As you can see, SPY, we're just in that box, we're chopping around, so I'm just gonna wait and see how everything plays out. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now because we look like we're going to chop, so I'm just going to wait for a couple of these positions and then get ready for the end of day swings. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. I will be still in the Discord waiting for all these plays to happen. So yes, if you do want to join the team, the chat, link is in the bio. If you don't want to join, no worries. I'll be here last 2 hours before market closes. And yes, we'll do that other live stream as well. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. I'll either see you inside the Discord or my next live stream. So yes, have a blessed one, guys and gals. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much. Hopefully we